most likely we're on the blues. So sure he's a bluefish and not a striped bass, but could be a striped bass. Small one, but it'd be nice to see. Nice weak fish. Let's see, where is he? Just digging and digging. Sorry about the headlamp. I don't see what my line is doing. That's why I lose a lot of fish for you guys. So I'm not playing the rod correct. But I'm trying my best. Wow, what is he? What is he? It would be grand to get a weekly. Wow! Let's see. He's just playing different. Maybe we have him hooked funny. Looks like a bluefish. Bigger than I thought. Wow, that's a nice blue. What did he spit up? Heat up bunker. That's about a 5-6 pounder. I'm gonna go to the chartreuse paddle tail. It'll beat up, but it'll work. And of course, the flukes. Smaller. They're getting smaller. And bigger fish pushed out. So tonight I've basically been going back and forth with some different actions. And of course the currents are always going to be changing. And sometimes they're swifter, sometimes they're lighter. So I've been working basically from the soft plastic ends from 1/4 ounce, 3/8 of an ounce. And then when it gets heavier, I drop in 5/8 of an ounce. I don't think it matters what you're throwing, be it a bucktail, jerk shad, or a paddle tail. It's just that you want to work that current with the correct weight. If these were all I gotta get fishing. If these were all switched up, I don't think it would make a beans if my 1/4 was a bucktail and my 5/8 was a paddle. But you want to work that heavier lure and faster current, and the lighter lures when it gets slow. And it's just a touch feel kind of thing. You don't want it to hit the bottom and stay there. You want it to go to the bottom and work along there and bring it up. And just a technique, a feel, get a few different weights, see how they play, and have fun. But now I'm going to go back to slowed up, so I'm going to go to the 1/4 ounce. Wow, I'm going to nail that first cast in. Right. We have stripers. I heard them flopping out there. It'll be some big ones. I'm going over to a 3/8 ounce jig head now. And that's a lighter wired up hook. And they're great for your hook set. They're not so great for your fish play. So I will use a lighter drag, and that curve will give it a nice drop. It feels a little bigger. I think he's a striper. Yeah, he's a little... Wow. Yeah, he's a little bigger. He's a bit bigger. Alright, we got some fish. I'm going to the bucktail again. Current's got swift. I'm going to work without a trailer. Then I'm going to drop on a, I'll try a chartreuse trailer. Wow, that's a nicer fish for sure. I think he's got to be a fluke. A fluke fat. Wow. That's a nicer fish. He's digging in good. I'm going to walk with him. He took the bucktail. I don't think he's a striper. It's gotta be a blue. So we gotta get him in quick. Coming back on us. I think we got the drag okay. Yes, nailed that too. He's way out there. Wow, he's bigger than I think. Wow, what is he? That's nice, nice. A nice size blue. Wow, that's wild. It's good. These are my trailers. And I'm going to try chartreuse. Now I'm going to finish out the night here. I have the bucktail. Let's see what this guy is. It's coming in now. Oh. Wheat fish would be grand. And it's a blue. For fun, we're going to throw the Rapala minnow, the Rap X. I think it's bunker or something like that. Something decent here. Not sure what he is. Hit way out. Grab that minnow. Just gonna follow him through. Ooh, a bass. Ooh. He's a nice striper. bigger. And you can see this felt, that's the same piece. Really holds up. Put a little bit of aqua seal. Mickey on here puts plumber's putty, he says. And I like that. The best way to do it, it's just a little drop of aqua seal, or you could try that plumber's putty. And I'm pretty sure he's a blue. The striped bass were out tonight, and so were the bluefish, and actually there were plenty of fluke. And let's see what he is. He's a bigger one. That's a bigger boat tonight, I think. It's a nicer fish. Ooh. Little fluke, so we got fluke, bluefish, bass. I'm tying direct, only because I'm getting stuck. They all running small on the fluke. Wow, that was a bass up there. They all running smaller as the fall comes in. I'm gonna try a bigger wrap axe. This is the 4 3/4 inch one. I think it's 3/4 of an ounce. Cast. Should be able to get it out a little further. I see him jumping. Maybe it'll work. What is he? Come on, buddy. What is, oh, wow, that's a nice fluke. That's a nice fluke. I'm just fishing with the X-Rod tonight. These fluke are wild. That's a nice one. That is definitely a keeper style fluke. Fire's up on him. Okay, we got it. Wow. I'm going to finish out the night with the bucktail. Got a swift current. Gonna take a few casts and get out of here. This will be the last one in. I'm going. Oh, wow. He jumped out there. I'm just going to follow him. Just bucktailing now. Old-fashioned, prehistoric bucktailing. Wow. It's funny how those bigger fish find a little more grumpier than the smaller fish. I might keep him for dinner if he's a blue. I don't know, I shouldn't say that because then I won't land him. But we'll see. One of my favorite fish for dinner. Wheat fish would be grand though. They're getting bigger, that's for sure. I'm going home now for reals. And Bucktail did it on the blues. Salt plastics on the bass, through the minnow, and fun night, fun night. Probably you'll get a bunch more, but we'll see.